Welcome to our channel where today we're diving into an easy and quick step-by-step guide on how to participate in the Burger King survey and make your voice heard. Welcome to our channel where today we're diving into an easy and quick step-by-step guide on how to participate in the Burger King survey and make your voice heard. Participating in this survey is a great way to provide feedback on your experience, help improve the service, and even get a chance to win rewards. Let's start with the very first step. After you enjoy your meal at Burger King, look for your receipt. On this receipt, you will find a survey invitation code along with a website address or a QR code. Step 2 is to go online using a smartphone, tablet, or computer and enter the web address printed on your receipt into your browser or scan the QR code if available. This will take you directly to the official Burger King survey page. Once you are on the survey page, Step 3 is to enter the survey code exactly as it appears on your receipt. This code is unique and allows you to access the specific questionnaire related to your recent visit. Step 4 involves answering the survey questions honestly. The questions usually cover your satisfaction level with the food quality, cleanliness of the restaurant, speed of service, and the friendliness of the staff. Make sure to read each question carefully and select the options that best match your experience. Step 5 is about submitting your responses. Before submitting, double-check your answers to ensure they reflect your true feedback. After submission, you might be asked to provide your contact details to enter a sweepstake or receive a coupon for your next visit. This is optional but highly recommended if you want to benefit from future offers. By participating in this survey, you play an active role in improving Burger King's services and also get the chance to enjoy exclusive rewards. So remember, keep your receipt safe, visit the survey site, enter the provided code, complete the questionnaire, and submit your feedback. We hope this guide makes your Burger King survey experience smooth and rewarding. At the end, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this guide helpful. Sharing your feedback is easy, and it really makes a difference.